Drink like Sissy.
I just gave Charity her first cup of water. First drink went very well. She was careful so she didn't spill anything. She got a good drink. Second drink, I think she got a little excited. Don't. Just don't hit it. Ah, that's a big girl. I knew you were ready for a cup. Little practice, you can do it without spilling ever. It's not going to give you any grape juice.
Good job. Good job, Chair.
You're so big. That's a big girl.
You put strawberries in?
No. I'm so excited. I'm going to drink the whole cup now. Oh, yeah. Okay. Sorry to cut it short. I got to flip the pancakes.